Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In this video, we'll continue our journey through the history of early American truck manufacturers and how they revolutionized transport. Let's jump right in. The impact of infrastructure and regulation. Infrastructure and government regulation played vital roles in shaping the truck manufacturing industry during the early 20th century. As highways expanded and new laws emerged, manufacturers had to adapt quickly to keep up with changing demands and markets. Let's break it down further. The Federal Aid Road Act of 1916. The Federal Aid Road Act of 1916 marked a significant milestone in American transportation. This legislation provided federal funds for road construction and improvement, recognizing the vital need for a solid network of roads across the country. With improved roads, long-haul trucking became more practical and appealing for businesses looking to move goods across greater distances. This act created a surge in demand for trucks capable of handling long hauls. Truck manufacturers started designing vehicles with greater capacities and improved features to meet this growing need. More efficient roads meant that businesses could operate over wider areas, thereby boosting trade and commerce. The measures set in place by the act essentially laid down the foundation for the trucking industry's growth, making road vehicles essential for meeting the logistical challenges of a booming economy. Truck weight limits and safety standards. Alongside the growth in road infrastructure, the introduction of truck weight limits and safety standards had a profound impact on the industry. Regulations began to pop up, dictating how much a truck could weigh and the dimensions it must adhere to. The aim was to ensure safety on the roads but also to promote innovation among manufacturers. As these rules were enforced, truck companies faced the challenge of maximizing payloads while staying within constraints. To comply with regulations, manufacturers quickly moved toward innovative designs, focusing on lighter materials and stronger builds. This led to a new generation of trucks that were not only compliant but also had better performance and efficiency. Safety became a selling point, and companies that embraced these changes gained a competitive edge. The rise of interstate commerce. The expansion of interstate highways opened up new markets for truck manufacturers and transformed the landscape of American commerce. These highways did more than connect cities. They facilitated a web of trade that made it easier for businesses to reach customers far from their original bases. With the interstate system in place, the demand for trucks surged. Manufacturers responded by developing vehicles suited for long-distance shipping, leading to innovations in engine efficiency and cargo management systems. However, this also presented challenges. Increasing competition meant that companies had to keep up with evolving consumer expectations and changing regulations. Truck manufacturers not only had to produce reliable trucks but also adapt to a fast-paced marketplace. The interplay between infrastructure and regulation during this time reshaped how goods moved across America. Understanding these dynamics reveals how the growth of highways and government policies significantly influenced truck manufacturers, pushing them to innovate and evolve to meet new demands. Competition and consolidation in the trucking industry. As the early trucking industry took off, competition among manufacturers intensified. Various companies raced to capture market share, and this led to a wave of mergers and acquisitions that reshaped the landscape of the industry. Understanding these dynamics offers valuable insight into how the market evolved during this period. The role of mergers and acquisitions. Mergers and acquisitions played a key role in the growth and consolidation of the trucking industry. Several strategic moves between companies changed their trajectories and strengthened their market positions. For example, in 1911, the merger between the Fayol Motors Company and the Rio Motor Car Company led to significant advancements in vehicle design and production methods. This merger also allowed both companies to combine resources and expertise, resulting in more robust product offerings. Another notable example is the acquisition of the Brockway Motor Company by the Mack Trucks division in the 1920s. This move allowed Mack to extend its reach within the heavy-duty truck market. By bringing Brockway's reputation for quality into the fold, Mack was able to enhance its product line and cater to a wider range of demands. These mergers and acquisitions often reflected a growth strategy where companies tried to eliminate competition while expanding their capabilities. This consolidation ultimately led to fewer, but more powerful players in the market, setting the stage for the dominance of a select few manufacturers. Competing with international truck makers. American truck manufacturers faced early competition from European manufacturers eager to enter the U.S. market. Companies like Renault and Fiat marketed their trucks as reliable options, which challenged American manufacturers to boost their innovation and quality. American firms had to re-evaluate their production strategies to compete effectively. As European trucks gained popularity, U.S. companies shifted their focus to building rugged, durable vehicles that suited the diverse American landscape. They emphasized strength, reliability, and versatility, appealing to businesses in various industries. In response to competition, American manufacturers also explored partnerships and collaborations with foreign entities, which allowed them to share technology and gain insights into different markets. This collaboration enabled them to enhance existing models and develop new designs featuring advancements from both sides of the Atlantic. The pressure from international competition served as a catalyst for improvement in the trucking industry. It pushed American manufacturers to stay on their toes, innovate faster, and ultimately build a reputation for durable and effective trucks worldwide. The rivalry not only shaped how companies operated but also influenced consumer expectations, leading to a more competitive and diverse marketplace for trucking. The early 20th century American truck manufacturers transformed the landscape of transportation in ways we still feel today. Their innovations laid the groundwork for modern trucking and logistics, introducing new technologies and designs that focused on efficiency and reliability. The focus on durable vehicles and adaptation to consumer needs established a standard that current manufacturers still follow. These pioneering companies fostered a spirit of competition and collaboration that pushed the entire industry forward. As we look to the future of transportation, reflecting on this legacy reminds us of the importance of innovation in meeting the requirements of a changing world. Thank you for taking the time to explore this fascinating chapter in American history. What are your thoughts on the influence of these early manufacturers? Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.